As an accounting software expert, I often get questions about how to manage data efficiently within various platforms. One common task for businesses using FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting solution, is exporting client information. Whether you're looking to migrate to a new system, perform a data backup, or simply leverage your client list for marketing initiatives, knowing how to export this crucial data is a fundamental skill. The good news is that FreshBooks makes exporting your client list a straightforward process. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have advanced accounting knowledge to get this done. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, ensuring that businesses of all sizes can manage their financial data with ease. Let's break down the steps to export your clients from FreshBooks, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each stage. Why export your clients? Before we dive into the how, it's worth briefly touching on the why. Why would you want to export your client list from FreshBooks? Migration to new software. This is a common reason. If you're transitioning to a different accounting system or a CRM, customer relationship management tool, you'll need your client data in a format that the new software can import. Data backup. While FreshBooks securely stores your data in the cloud, having an offline backup of your critical information is always a good practice. Marketing and outreach. Your client list is a valuable asset for marketing. You might want to export it to use in an email marketing campaign, a direct mail initiative, or to segment your audience for targeted promotions. Analysis and reporting. Sometimes you might need to perform custom analysis on your client data that goes beyond FreshBooks' built-in reports. Exporting allows you to manipulate the data in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Sharing with external parties. You might need to share a list of clients with a partner, consultant, or another team member who doesn't have direct access to your FreshBooks account. The step-by-step guide to exporting clients from FreshBooks. The process is intuitive and typically involves just a few clicks. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Log in to your FreshBooks account. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. Head to the FreshBooks login page and enter your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access and export data within your account. If you're not the account owner, you might need to check with them. Step 2. Navigate to the Clients section once you're logged in and on your FreshBooks dashboard, often called the home screen. Look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll typically find a section labeled Clients or an icon that looks like a person. Click on it to access your list of clients. Step 3. Locate the More Actions button within the Clients section. You'll see a list of all your active and archived clients. Above this list, usually towards the top right, there will be a button labeled More Actions, or sometimes just an ellipsis icon. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Step 4. Select Export Clients from the More Actions drop-down menu. You will see several options. Look for and click on Export Clients. This option often has a downward-pointing arrow icon next to it, signifying a download action. Step 5. Confirm the export and patience. After clicking Export Clients, FreshBooks will begin to process your request. The time it takes will depend on the number of clients you have. For accounts with a large number of clients, it might take a few moments. FreshBooks will typically generate a file in CSV, comma-separated values, format. What is a CSV file? For those new to this, a CSV file is a plain text file that stores tabular data, numbers, and text in a simple, structured format. Each line in the file is a data record, and each record consists of one or more fields, separated by commas. It's a widely compatible format that can be opened and edited by most spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. This makes it ideal for transferring data between different software applications. Step 6. Download your CSV file. Once the export is complete, your browser will usually automatically download the CSV file to your computer's default Downloads folder. The file will typically be named something like clients.csv or a similar variation. Step 7. Open and review your data. Navigate to your Downloads folder and open the CSV file. It will likely open in your preferred spreadsheet program. Take a moment to review the data. You'll see columns for various client details, such as client name, contact information, email addresses, and any other relevant fields you've collected in FreshBooks. This is a crucial step to ensure all the data you expected to export is present and formatted correctly. Important considerations and best practices. Data integrity. Always review the exported data to ensure its accuracy and completeness. Sometimes, formatting issues or missing fields can occur, though FreshBooks generally handles this well. Data privacy. Client data is sensitive. Be mindful of data privacy regulations, like GDPR or similar local laws, when exporting and handling client information. Ensure you store the exported file securely and only share it with authorized individuals. Filtering before export. While FreshBooks Direct Client Export is comprehensive, if you only need a specific subset of clients, e.g., active clients, clients from a certain year, you might want to explore if FreshBooks offers filtering options within the Clients section before initiating the export. This isn't always available for the direct client export, but it's good to keep in mind for other data exports like reports. Other data exports. Remember that FreshBooks allows you to export other types of data as well, such as invoices, expenses, and various financial reports. The process is often similar, usually found within the respective sections or the reports area. Contact FreshBooks support. If you encounter any issues during the export process or have specific requirements, don't hesitate to reach out to FreshBooks customer support. They are usually very helpful and can guide you through any complexities. By following these simple steps, you can confidently export your client data from FreshBooks, empowering you with greater control over your business's valuable information for various operational and strategic needs.